All right, so that didn't go too smooth, but it didn't go too bad. We got it on. Yeah, but we had the same problem when we took it off. This bar here, we had to flip the wrong way. Like, that is the last thing to come off and the first thing to come on when you're putting on this loader. Yeah, we got our pins to work in the back. Just gotta do a couple little things, but yeah, I think this is together now for the most part. Just gotta hook up the hydraulic lines and we will have a working loader, and then we will get the backhoe on. So probably don't do it this way. It didn't work out super smooth. All right, sorry I did not get footage of me installing the backhoe. Actually, it went way easier than the loader did. It just hooks on these pins right there, and then they just drop in. And then there's like a main pin in the front, right in the center there. So it lines up there, and then you hook up the hydraulic lines and you're in action. So that really took longer getting the bullet point in the front lined up. But yeah, works. Dug a small trench in the garden to make sure everything's ship shape. Tomorrow or the next day, I'm gonna go with the DeWalt 20-volt grease gun and hit the whole tractor. And actually, I'll probably hit almost all the equipment the next day or two. But yeah, that's it. So this is putting together a clutch, the loader, a bunch of wiring was done, all the fluids and filters are changed, even the ones I broke that didn't need to be changed, but I broke them. But yeah, it's a pretty solid machine. All the lights work on it now, even the digging ones up here. For hopefully I'm not digging at night. But I think my dad has maybe a project or two at his place, and then I might be putting a gas line in to the workshop here. I have the line, so I'll probably do that. But I don't know if I'm going to keep it or not. So if you think I should keep it, or your comments on it, put them in below and hit subscribe and like, and we'll see you next video. Thanks for watching.